It's the closest thing as a rugby team you'd get to a GA local parish team.
You had to go out and perform because the people that's outside watching you are the people you're going to be meeting the following day. They're the very people that let you know if you didn't perform on the day.
You're just as proud to be a Munster supporter really than you are to be a Munster player, you know.
You play for yourself, you play for your family and whatever, you know, got you into that position, but most of all I think it's that you play for the group of guys that you're with.
I was lucky enough to play international rugby, play for the Lions, but you know, running out to Thomond Park to a packed house, there's no better feeling.
Still kind of surreal looking up into the crowd and just seeing red everywhere, and no one wanted to go. People would have stayed there till 10 o'clock that night if we were left. But